Today, today was a very nice day. As far as for the dollar, what it is we're seeing here, as far as in trading the dollar, we're seeing a nice range take place. We are seeing this range begin to broaden. So this range is broadening, it's fanning out to the downside. And so the same thing is occurring to the top side. So it's really discovering price at this time. And so with this, we did it is as far as on bull side. Last night what we talked about is that the Bulls would have some areas to defend. Bulls did defend 106, just like we talked about them needing to defend 106, as well as now getting this bounce here at the 100 period moving average. So now having this bounce here at the 100 period moving average after getting this bounce at 106, that is a nice reset for the dollar index. With the dollar index, I do see the dollar index seeking to make a bounce back to this weekly open to see if it can hold this area. If it cannot hold this area, we should get it in between these two quarters, kind of ending the week out because of the fact that there is no major news that's coming out. President Biden is speaking tonight. Here coming up shortly. So we'll see if that affects the markets at all. There really shouldn't likely be any major thing impacting the markets that he'll say, unless like something crazy happens. And so we know that it can be interesting when we get a chance to witness those things and see kind of what takes place. So we'll keep our eye on that. Again, we have support here with the 100 period moving average. Again, throughout the entire week, it's been coming around this area, staying above it. Same thing with the 106 area. So we continue to look at this area as support for the dollar index, as well as this being a nice bounce area to end the week out, seeking to fight for its weekly open. For bulls, bulls would like to have this just settle anywhere in this range, as long as it's above all of its moving averages going into next week. And so you see with the UC idea, with the UC, it is above the 137 area. Again, that is a nice firm support for it, which is also nice for this one, nice and bullish for this one. Again, we see with the drop that occurred, the drop did occur and it found support here with this 20 period moving average. Also, we have for the GU idea, again, this idea breaking down again below all of its moving averages and underneath this weekly open, as well as the EU idea. The EU idea is sandwiched in between all of its lower period moving averages below it with its 200 period moving average above it. But it did test that area before and it was rejected. So we'll see if this can get 106. If you guys can remember at the top of the week, I said that 106 was going to be an important area for the EU idea to reclaim. Without reclaiming that area, bulls don't have a firm grasp. They don't have firm control until this area is reclaimed. It is at the top of that area. So we'll see kind of how this one likely plays out going into the end of the week. And so we also have the AU idea again below all of this moving averages still up for the week. So looking to retrace, come back down to that 63-cent area. And then we have for the NU idea again down below all of its moving averages, continuously finding new bottoms. And so that's what we have for the NU idea. And so those are all of our trades that are moving at this time, and based upon the news that was reported on today. And we'll continue to watch this and see kind of how these things continue to move as the week gets ready to end tomorrow.